Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on an Epson XP-6100. Now this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. And although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make all of the button presses I do very clear so you can follow this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So, to get started, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not on a screen that looks like this, press the home button to be taken here. Now, we're going to use the right hand arrow over here to move ourselves along to settings. So we need to press 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And you'll know it's settings when the orange rectangle is around the cog symbol you can see here. So we press OK to go into that. And then we need to go into basic settings, which is the second option down. So we press down once and then OK. And from basic settings, we need to get ourselves down to language. So we press down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So you can see language. Press OK to go into that. And here we have a complete list of all the different languages used by your printer. So you just use the up and down arrow to guide it to wherever you need to be. Press OK on your selected language. And it's as simple as that. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.